What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul. I'm excited to share a recipe from my ebook, a mouth watering vegan steak made from mushrooms and secret ingredients. This is not just any steak, it's a rich in flavor and perfect for any special meal. You can find the full recipe and all the details in my ebook, which you can purchase through the link in my bio or in the description below. Now let's get cooking. Firstly, let's heat up some oil or some butter in our pan by sauteing some fresh thyme and minced garlic to infuse our oil with amazing aroma and flavor. Next, let's add our vegan steak to this pan, and I've molded a blend of mushrooms, jackfruit, pecans, chia seeds, and bee powder to create a texture and look just like real steak. We'll pan fry our vegan steak, letting it cook thoroughly and turning golden brown. Remember, the full recipe for this delicious vegan steak, including all the specific ingredients and steps, is available in my ebook. If you're looking to try this amazing recipe, click the link below to get my ebook. It's packed with many more tasty vegan recipes. I highly recommend trying this vegan steak. It's absolutely delicious and a great centerpiece for any meal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can never miss a recipe. See you next time. Peace.